Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Excel and Sheet. In this video, I will teach you 5 Excel time savers. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. Here I am in a spreadsheet with a list of fictional employees. And this spreadsheet still needs a lot of work done. Fortunately, these time savers will make it so much easier and quicker for me. Time saver number 1 is AutoSum with Alt equals. Let's look at how this works. Let's say I want to quickly add up all of the monthly sales of each individual employee to get a grand total for the entire company. Down here at the bottom of the data in column D, I'll just hold Alt, tap equals, and AutoSum is activated. Excel automatically assumes that I want to add up this range of data, which is correct. Now all I need to do is tap Enter on the keyboard, and there is the grand total auto-summed. Time saver number 2, double-click the fill handle. Let's say I need a new column, column H, and here in column H, I need to put in the data. Off for each employee. So I'll click on H1, type in day off, and let's say we start with Monday. John Doe has Tuesday off. Jane Smith has Wednesday. And this is just going to continue in this pattern. To continue the pattern, of course I could select Wednesday in this case, and then click and hold the click on the little green square in the lower right corner of cell H4. That's the fill handle. With the click held, I can drag down the range of days. Data, making sure I get to the proper place, and then release the mouse button, and all of that information is filled in. So that's nice, but there's a better, faster way. All you really have to do is click on H4 and then double-click on the fill handle, and the autofill is performed for you all the way down the range of data. Okay, what else do I need to improve about this spreadsheet? Well, I would like to change the formatting for column D. I want these numbers to show up as currency. I could do this though. Hard way. I could click on column D, for example, and then go up on the Home tab. In the number group, I could choose the formatting that I want for this range. Or I could just hold the Ctrl key, hold the Shift key, and tap the $sign button. And the entire column of numbers now gets a $sign and commas to indicate that this is currency. How about percentages? If I hold Ctrl, hold Shift, and tap the % sign, the number formatting is changed to %. Similarly, use Ctrl, Shift, and £sign for date. And Ctrl Shift exclamation point turns them into general numbers, but you do see the commas applied there. So with number formats, definitely try Ctrl Shift and then either $sign, percentage, £sign, sign, at, or exclamation point. Time saver number 4, use Ctrl 1 to quickly format cells. In some ways, this is similar to what I just showed. So let's say, for example, I want to draw attention to the commissions earned. I could click on column G and press Ctrl 1 and I get a format cells pop-up. I could certainly switch the number format, let's say, to currency, but I could also change the font, making it bigger, making it bold, even changing the color. You can also change the fill color, maybe making it gray, and then click OK, and those changes are all made. So Ctrl 1 is just a bit faster than right-clicking to choose Format Cells, and it's also faster than going up here to the Home tab and using the font group. Time saver number 5 is use Ctrl and Page Up or Page Down to quickly switch between sheets in a workbook. As you can see, I have 2 sheets, Sheet 1 and Sheet 2. In this workbook, the one I've been working in, and then there's another sheet I just added, which is empty right now. Now, how can I quickly go back and forth? Just hold the Ctrl key and tap Page Up, and it will take you back to a previous tab. Ctrl key and Page Down takes you to the next worksheet or spreadsheet in a workbook. So those are 5 Excel time savers. I hope you learned something new in this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment if anything particular you want to know in Excel. See you in the next video.